Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So, on the dollar yen, well, first of all, we have a very big day for the dollar today. We have CPI inflation data coming out at 1:30 GMT time, which I definitely will be live streaming in a Zoom meeting for my premium members. If anybody's interested in joining my membership, the website is right here to join. But also, we have FOMC interest rate news for the dollar today, which I will be live streaming for that also. But this will be a free live stream on YouTube at 6:30 GMT plus 1 UK time, or at 1:30 in the afternoon Eastern Standard Time. So definitely make sure you stop in for my free YouTube live stream that I'll be doing for the interest rate news later on today. So anyways, I definitely still am looking at this US dollar as a wave 5. I still think it possibly could go up a little more. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is a wave 4 over here. I still think this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think we're in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 5, which, like I was saying, could respect the 78%, or it could possibly go up to the 100% before it actually decides to make a bigger move to the downside. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I was originally thinking that this possibly could go down to make a big old wave C, which I still think is pretty possible, like an ABC of 4, and then go back up for the wave 5 later on. Definitely a possibility that we need to keep in mind. But with the yen, I mean, buying the dip on the yen has been an amazing strategy for at least 4 years now, and it continues to be an amazing strategy. Until this thing actually shows us some reason to think that this is going down in a big way, I would actually still keep on looking for longs. I think it's likely to go up to the 78 to retest that, or possibly all the way up to the 100% Fibonacci extension. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it still looks to me like this is in ABC corrects, and it still looks like this is in an uptrend. Now we do have all this news coming out today, which I think CPI is probably pretty likely going to cause it to go up. But then I think that we could possibly get a reversal, and if it does go up and take out these highs and then reverse down and break structure, that would pretty much prove to me that this is a wave B, and that would pretty much prove to me that we are going back down for a wave C. But I would have to see, that spike up, that liquidity grab, then a reversal and a break of structure to believe that that is actually what's happening. Otherwise, I would just continue to look for longs, and I would just continue to hold longs. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, today's CPI news, I do kind of expect that the dollar is probably pretty likely going to make at least one more push up. So I actually think this is likely to make another push up. But like I said, if it actually reverses back down and starts breaking structure, I would definitely at that point stop looking for long entries and start looking for shorts again. Like I said, I will be live streaming for the interest rate news, so definitely make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on that today. I will also be in a Zoom meeting today for my premium members, which, like I said, if you are interested in joining, the website to join is right here. But anyways, definitely check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And if you are interested in joining my membership, then you will get access to my daily live trading sessions and all my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.